नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका रोशनी पब्लिकेशन के यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज की सेशन में हम करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 12वीं इंग्लिश रेनबो भाग 2 के चैप्टर 3 ए पिंच ऑफ स्नफ का शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग दोनों तरह के क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो बने रहे हमारे साथ। आज के सेशन में हम आपको देने जा रहे हैं बिल्कुल सटीक और आइडियल आंसर, जिसे आप अपने बोर्ड के एग्जाम में लिखकर ज्यादा से ज्यादा अंक उठा सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं आज के मोटिवेशनल कोट के साथ, जो कि है कल को आसान बनाने के लिए आज आपको कड़ी मेहनत करनी ही पड़ेगी। और इसी कड़ी मेहनत में आपका साथ देने के लिए रोशनी पब्लिकेशन लेकर आया है रोशनी पब्लिकेशन का कैप्टन रेनबो, जिसमें आपको क्लास 12वीं रेनबो बुक के सारे चैप्टर वेल एक्सप्लेन आसान भाषा में एवं सभी चैप्टर के ऑब्जेक्टिव एवं सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर मिलेंगे, जो कि आपके बोर्ड की तैयारी को ध्यान में रखते हुए विशेषज्ञों की देखरेख में तैयार किया गया है, जिसका इस्तेमाल कई शिक्षकों द्वारा भी किया जाता है। तो जल्दी करें, आज ही घर लाएं रोशनी पब्लिकेशन के कैप्टन रेनबो। इसे आप हमारे ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट फ्लिपकार्ट या अमेज़न अथवा अपने नज़दीकी बुक स्टोर से भी खरीद सकते हैं। तो चलिए आज के सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं।
Answer the following questions briefly. The news that made the mother happy distributed her son. Why were their responses so different?
Answer. Narita's mother was very loyal to her side of family. Nanukaka was mother's brother, so she was happy to know that he was coming to stay with them. On other hand, for the son his stay meant inconvenience. He took him as an interference in his routine. So he was disturbed.
Do you have a similar experience? Has your response to the news of the arrival of any guest ever been different from that of other members of the family?
Answer. No, I haven't had such experience. My all family, including me, have the same response of delightment to the news of the arrival of any guest.
Had to travel second on a third-class ticket, but it was all arranged quite amicably? What arrangement Nanukaka is referring to? How can such arrangement be amicable?
Answer. Nanukaka traveled second class, paying third class fare. When ticket inspector asked about that, Nanukaka settled it amicably. There might be some money paid in lien of breaking the rule. Here Nanukaka was telling about this arrangement. Some people think that this arrangement is amicable, but that is wrong thing. We should not do this because it is a crime.
The undersecretary always obeyed Nanukaka, although he was never willing to do so. Why?
Answer. Nanukaka was his guest and his mother's brother, so he could not show disrespect.
This tie and collar business is no good these days. What did Nanukaka mean to say?
Answer. It was a time when tie and collar had become a very common dress. It was uncomfortable and out of fashion. That's why Nanukaka says so.
How did the undersecretary change his appearance to accompany Nanukaka?
Answer. The undersecretary changed into a close-collared Jodhpuri coat, and a huge orange turban was tied round his head.
Who is a zamindar? Do you know any zamindar in your locality? What do the people in your locality think about him?
Answer. Zamindar is an owner of large lands in a village or town. They are often very rich. There is a zamindar in our locality. People respected him and think he is very powerful.
How did Nanukaka impress Sohanlal Ratiram?
Answer. Sohanlal's son was to serve under Hazrat Barkat Ali. Nanukaka knows that, so he impressed Sohanlal Ratiram by dropping the name of Hazrat. He pretended that Hazrat was his close friend.
What important information did he collect at Ratiram's place?
Answer. The important information Nanukaka collected at Ratiram's place was that minister had refused the proposal of marriage of his daughter with Ratiram's son. Now he wanted to marry his daughter to the prince of Ninnore.
Who is a prince? Do we have any prince now? If yes, do they enjoy the same privileges they used to do?
Answer. Prince is the son of a king of an estate. We don't have any prince in India now. There are some princes of old families, but they do not enjoy the same privileges which they used to.
Who was the second important person Nanu Kaka had planned to meet?
Answer. The second important person was the welfare minister, whom Nanu Kaka had come to meet in Delhi.
What preparation did he make to meet him?
Answer. To meet the minister, firstly he hired an enormous, outlandish large car to drive to the office of the minister. He himself dressed as a hereditary pundit from a princely state.
What new role did Nanu Kaka give the undersecretary to play?
And he got the undersecretary dressed in Jodhpur coat and turban and gave him the role of his chauffeur to play.
How did he manage to impress the Sikka auto dealers?
Answer. Nanukala managed to impress the Sikka auto dealers by demonstration of his wealth and generosity. He thought of a plan. According to this plan, when they were at dealer's shop, Dobi came with a check of 1,000 rupees and said that he found the check in his coat. Nanu Kaka gave 2 rupees to Dobi for his honesty. Thus, auto dealer believed that he was a wealthy person.
What did he do at the minister's residence?
Answer. Nanu Kaka asked for visitor's book at the minister's residence. He wrote his name and also his status as an astrologer. Then he wrote his Delhi address and drove away in hurry.
How did he impress the minister?
Answer. Nanu Kaka impressed the minister by his opulence and courtesy as an astrologer. His big car, chauffeur, and impressive dress was enough to impress anyone. As a result, the minister came to meet Nanu Kaka next morning.
Is the undersecretary impressed with Nanu Kaka at any point? When and why? Find out the evidence from the story.
Answer. The undersecretary was impressed with Nanu Kaka at several points. The car dealer could not deny the car for trial. Minister came out to meet him. He gladly does what Nanu Kaka wants him to do.
Long answer questions. Nanu Kaka tells lots of lies. Why does he do so? Does he succeed in his pursuit?
Answer. Nanu Kaka tells lots of lies to achieve his aim. He wants people to help him. Nanu Kaka wanted to meet the welfare minister, but it was no easy task. For this, Nanu Kaka played a trick that made the minister come and see him. In fact, he was successful in his pursuit. He met minister in only 2 days.
What impression does Nanu Kaka make on you? Do you like him? Attempt a character sketch of Nanu Kaka.
Answer. Nanu Kaka is an interesting person. He makes impression of a clever, witted man. He knows very well how to gain his aim. He doesn't hesitate to speak lies in the matter of his work. Of course I like him. Nanu Kaka is sharp-witted, clever man. He not disturb is in any situation. He knows how to use situations to his profit. He tries to know the weak point of a person. He can do and speak anything to complete his mission and work. He is an image of supreme confidence.
Suppose you have Nanu Kaka as your uncle. How would you behave with him? Explain in detail.
Answer. If Nanu Kaka were my uncle, I would behave nicely with him. I would share my thought with him and would take interest in his work. I would learn what things impress which class of person. I would have been logical and frank with him. I would see him preparing for the next victim and enjoy every moment of his presence. I would show my affection to him.
Nanu Kaka made a big promise to Sohanlal Ratiram. Did he ever fulfill his promise?
Answer. Nanu Kaka did not know Hazrat Barkat Ali. He only pretended that Hazrat Barkat Ali was his close friend. Probably he had never seen him. He had no intention to keep his promise. It was a false promise and was not meant to be kept.
Can a person like Nanu Kaka be more successful in the present society?
Answer. Yes, I think a person like Nanu Kaka can be more successful in present society. People want to be successful by hook or by crook. People who follow the rules are left far behind by those that flout the rules and cheat people. Simple people become easy prey to false hope. cunning and dishonest and liar people grab more power. If they become politically powerful, they can manage to circumvent the law. In present time, deceitful and deceptive people are given more respect than the truthful and good people.
I wonder what is going to happen when the minister discovers that my uncle has never been within 100 miles of a place called Ninore. Only when it happens, I want to be somewhere far out of range. What light does it throw on the motive of the writer in the story? Does he want to glorify manipulation? Warn us of the consequences which his discovery leads to? Expose the reality we are living in.
Answer: Nanukaka manipulates situations and deceives others. But the author does not call him so. Nanukaka pretended as the state astrologer of Ninore. The author is afraid that truth being discovered later. He does not want to be seen as an accomplice of liar and a cheat. The motive of the writer is not to glorify the spirit of manipulation. He wants to warn us about such consequences which the discovery of the reality leads to be trouble sooner or later.
What is linguistic emergency? Do we all face it? How does it affect our speech?
Answer: Linguistic emergency is the situation when we want to express our anger in abusive words. This is a situation that every one of us can face. Some people would say some words at such occasion that they are habitual of saying. We begin to use abusive words mostly used in our mother tongue. Sometimes it is not directed towards anyone particular.
Discuss the significance of the title. How is it related to the theme of the story?
Answer: The story is a comedy and revolves around the character of Nanukaka. A pinch of snuff represents the special feature and habitual practice of main character of the story. Nanukaka is in the habit of using snuff. All his decisions are taken after he has sniffed a pinch of snuff. This title has a greater significance too. The story itself is like a pinch of snuff for the reader. A pinch means little snuff can be taken to be the mixture of comedy, fun and adventure. So the title is related to the theme of the story. दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में इतना ही। यह वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा हमारे साथ कमेंट बॉक्स में साझा करें। अगर यह वीडियो आपको पसंद आया, इसे लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करें। आगे आने वाली वीडियो के लिए हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल नोटिफिकेशन दबा लें ताकि आगे आने वाली वीडियो का सारा नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके। अपने बोर्ड की जर्नी को आसान बनाने के लिए आप हमारे कैप्टन बुक जैसे कैप्टन रेनबो, कैप्टन दिगंत को हमारे ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट फ्लिपकार्ट एवं अमेजॉन से परचेज कर सकते हैं। बड़ों का सम्मान करें, बच्चों को प्यार दें। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।